Hi everyone, today with me I have this pack of 7 beauty blenders I found on Amazon, but there's something that makes them super special and different. Not only are they pink, which I think they look so great, but there's actually different kinds of beauty blenders in here and you'll notice the difference. For example, this one, I would call it a full perfect egg, while others have a cut down the bottom like this, perfect to apply foundation, and others have a cut down the side, which I like to use under my eye area. And it will even come with a tiny mini blender like this one, which is perfect to set your under eyes and really get into tiny little creases. All the other ones are repeat from these as well with other cuts, and they're absolutely amazing. Again, you're going to get a pack of 7 and they are so nice and long lasting, super fluffy. When you get them wet, they'll really expand. They're amazing and I really enjoy using them for my makeup. I've had this set before and I have their brush as well and they are incredible. I definitely recommend you guys check these out on Amazon. They're awesome beauty blenders and they're going to last you quite a while.